Welcome to Pip's Tips, where we share marketing morsels from Informatics' top dog. Today, Pip's digging for data with GA4, Google's newest web analytics platform. It can help you follow your customer's path online and analyze the reasons behind a conversion or sale. It's a powerful marketing tool, but it also requires some learning. Here are 3 of Pip's favorite new features in GA4. 1. No more bounces. Google has finally killed the bounce rate in favor of what it calls engagement rate. This metric better reflects how visitors actually use your site. 2. Easier attribution. GA4 makes it easy to compare attribution models, which assign conversion credit to different channels, like paid ads or email. You can see how conversions might change by tweaking your marketing mix. 3. Custom reports. Check out GA4's new visual explorations, which can help you uncover new data insights. You can also build custom charts and tables for deep dives. With a little work, GA4 can help you find those bones buried in your website data. For more tips from Pip and our team, check out the Informatics blog. We'll see you next time on Pip's Tips.